are leaving our house. But there's a problem, our car is not starting. We are all ready, we're just waiting for the car to start. Once it starts, and we are about to go. Ciao. See ya. So right now we are going to Maharashtra to pick my friends, and from there we're gonna pick them up, and then we're gonna go straight to Amboli ghat. Definitely the way to Amboli is as beautiful as Amboli ghat itself, so enjoy this ride. You will find a lot of waterfalls on the way. There'll be like Amboli is around 73 kilometers from Maharashtra, and it takes approximately 2 hours to reach Amboli ghat. So in today's vlog I'll be just showing 2 places because it's really long, and if you're coming to Amboli you should definitely visit all these places. The best time to visit Amboli is in rainy season. After July till September, Amboli is amazing, because this year, because of lockdown, we couldn't come this side. But if you're coming, please do come in the rainy season. The falls is amazing, guys. So we have almost reached our first destination. Let's go and check out this place. Let's go close to the waterfall, guys. This is the main falls in Amboli, guys. It looks amazing. The water is less, but when you come in rainy season, the water will be really good. We left really early this morning, so we are now going to have our breakfast. You can see a lot of shops here in the street. I am a big fan of street food, guys. Whenever you come to Amboli, you have to check out this place for their amazing vada pav and their bhajis. It's too good. Definitely try it out. Just check the view, guys. It's become like a ritual. Whenever we come to Amboli, we definitely eat vada pav. It's yummy.
Hey guys, we are in Amboli Ghat, and we are going to taste sabudana. What is this called?
Vada.
Sabudana vada. Okay. Now this, I don't know where you get it, but over here you get it. So it's quite hot. Okay. hot. And I'm going to dip it in this chutney. Okay.
It's made of coffee.
It's white chutney, red chutney, doesn't matter. Okay.
How is it, Nihan? What is your review on that?
Sabudana went inside till here, you brought it back out. It's good. But our master chef says that there was less groundnuts. Try the next place. But come little give us a giraik over here also.
This is my family, guys. It's Neha, my dad, my mom. Oh, we left one person here. Hello. That's Vinita auntie and my mommy.
Sabudana.
Now we're heading towards another waterfall. Guys, can you see that? There's no one on the road. Literally no one. This place used to be so crowded. Now there's no one. This place is just a viewpoint. Let's go and check. This place is around 4-5 kilometers from the main falls. This is like the end of it. but it's a beautiful place. Can you see that? Great. It's amazing. Hi. Guys, I forgot to introduce you. This is Jason. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I will be uploading the part 2 of this video soon. So keep watching my channel. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video guys. Bye.